What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see by the thumbnail. Today y'all finally get to hear the truck. It's sprinkling and all that, man, but I think Jesse should have that thing ready, so we finna slide by there. He had gave me a call too. Said they working on it, so by that time he probably got it done and everything. So I'm doing the intro, man, and we finna slide on over there. We gotta run some air and stuff too and all that. And I'm finna get out this rain, man. Then if it raining too hard when we get back, let it calm down. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I promise y'all gonna hear it in this vlog though. So that's it. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we back, man. We back. Y'all see it? It's at the house. It's at the house. Yes, indeed, man. I got a name in mind. I had a name in mind when I first got the truck. Actually, I seen y'all put on the name, but I already had a name in mind. As soon as I got the truck, man, first thing popped in my head. So here it is. Shout out to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication, man. Number is on the screen. Shout out to my guy Jesse, man. Got this thing right. He got it right, man. We got it on. Got it running. Simple fix. First drive. Truck drives good, but the truck is made to go in a straight line. I tell you that. It's made to go in a straight line. That's definitely what it's made for. I already got the parts on the way to fix this side. I already got the parts. I'm undecided on what I'm gonna do about the bed. Either I'm gonna do a skin or I'm gonna get a whole bed. It don't matter. I'm gonna take it to one of my guys, let him check it out, and see what he think. Whatever he think, that's what I'm gonna roll with. Gonna match the paint up, cause I like the color. It's a nice color. It's different. I'm gonna match that up, and it's gonna be the same color. That's it. So I got this on the way. The fender. I already ordered, and all the parts are new. Brand new fender on the way, brand new door on the way. I didn't need but one of these bezels and side marker light, but I got these right here brand new for both sides bezels. I will be changing these. They regular halogen lights, so I'm gonna be changing these, of course. I'm gonna go in there and order new headlights, the lenses, and make all LED the front end. Y'all know I gotta have LEDs, everything. I'm about to go in there and do that now. Bed cover. Got to have a bed cover on them. I just love these trucks with bed covers. And I got new tail lights coming too. I got these brand new, both of them. The exact same lights. I love the lights with the chrome rims, so I got two of them coming. So I literally bought all the parts. I just bought them at one time. I just didn't grab this because I was undecided on what I wanted to do. If I want to do a full bed or just do a skin. So I'll be getting this right here too. I'll be getting this soon. It really scraped right there. So that's why I said it might be a skin. You know, you might can. It's a little dent right there. Might can cut it out. So I'll be getting on top of that next week too. But yeah, man, that's enough talking. Let y'all hear this thing. This thing does sound good. Run crispy and everything. All that. True street truck. Interior, man, look at the interior. Crispy. I ain't even get y'all a full walk around that truck, but I'll get y'all that in a minute. Count them off, bro. All the way, pull this off. Count them off. Set y'all down, man. Let me get that exhaust note for y'all. Sound pretty good, man. Sound pretty good. Of course, it got a little power to it. I ain't wet ball to the wall, cause it wet. It wet, man, but it ready to go, man. We got radials on it, nittos. Already got drag radials on it. We ready to go, man. Now suspension on this truck. The suspension is A1. The suspension on this truck is A1. All the way A1, no stakes off. For real. That's one of the things that lured me to it. This a real good chassis. This a very nice chassis. Like, y'all see how it's sitting. The suspension is jammed up. This thing is made to go in a straight line. Real street truck, man. I just put some 93 in it. I should have recorded that. I ain't recorded, man, but put pump gas in it, factory tank in it. Me personally, I like fuel cells in these. I like fuel cell and everything now. It's just better. But it's the interior. Like I said, clean little ride, man. Interior been done. Truck is clean. CD player, gauges. Just like I would set one up. Same way I would set one up, man. I'm gonna vacuum it out and stuff. Put a little smell good scent in here. Shift in the flow. And that's it, man. That's it. So, the fleet almost complete. Y'all see Big Dolo back. Saw that video, Big Dolo back home. They actually came home the same day. I shot these in the same day. So, the truck and Big Dolo came back home the same day. That's why I was telling y'all in the video with Dolo, I was tired. Cause man, same day, man. I went and grabbed Dolo on the trailer. That was 4 hours something round trip. Then had to head over to Lawless. Me and the fam. And then we picked up the truck. So now, man, I'm finna work out right quick. And eat something. And then get ready to hit the road tomorrow. So, you know, I told y'all y'all gonna get to hit the truck, man. We got the parts on the way. And man, we just ready to go. We ready to go, man. 4-inch cowl hood, fiberglass. It's a bolt-on hood. This thing's just nice, man. It's just a nice ride. So we back, man. We got a truck on the channel. We back, man. S10 dime game. S10 dime game. Now this thing sound good, but it ain't none of that big Dolo pressure. We're gonna see where it is in the fleet. I'm gonna put on the dyno and then we gonna go to the track and all that good stuff, but it ain't that big Dolo pressure. Look at that, man. You ain't gotta get in it. Just hit the key. That bad boy do sound good. That thing do sound good. Woo, just listen to it. Alright, man. It's scarred up. Not for long though. Not for long, man. We're gonna get that tightened up. Tighten up quick. I might need a bumper. I'm gonna get a valence too. A bottom valence. Or I might need a bolt in it. Let's see. Alright, crack right there. We'll get one of these. Probably could make it work though. Bumper took a hit right there. Get a bumper. Simple. Get a bumper too. Get that lad, man. That easy throwing there. That ain't body. Bumper and valence, that's easy. We gonna get these body panels back on here, man. We're gonna be in the game. Boy, that bad boy sound good. That bad boy sound good, boy. Yes, indeed. That thing sound too good. Man, let's crank it up one more time, y'all. We're gonna crank it up one more time. I can't leave y'all like that. We're gonna crank it up one more time, man. One more time. I love when you get in the cars and just go in there like this and just wham. Let me see. I love when you can do that. I love when you can do that. I do that with all mine. Ooh, ooh. That bad boy sound good. Ooh, he sound good. There can't be no girl right here. He sound good. He sound good, boy. You know what? Matter of fact, let's see. I think all mine do that, man. Let's see. Big Dolo chilling. Let's see. Big Dolo. Let's see what Big Dolo talking about. You got a new brother. My boy Big Dolo got a new brother in Meeks. I got a new brother, man. Let's see. The truck, see now the truck, the youngest out the boys. Truck the youngest, man. Let's see what Big Dolo. Y'all see that? See that new steering wheel? It means the rim coming. Let's see. See Big Dolo can crank up. Drop her the key. Come on, Big Dolo. Don't let me down. There we go. Drop her the key. I ain't putting no gas. My feet on the outside. Drop her the key. Big Dolo. Cut this thing off. Big Dolo got that perfume. I mean, not perfume, that girl. Big Dolo got that cologne, boy. Thing smell good out here. I'm gonna have to put some in the truck now. They smell good. I got plenty in there. I keep it. But yeah, it's here. It's here, y'all. It's it. So like I told y'all, man, I promise y'all I'm gonna let y'all hear it. All of that. Now I'm gonna have to get a cover for this one. I'm gonna have to get a cover for this thing. I ain't got now. I'm gonna use wifey cover for right now, cause it's in there. Order her another one since hers gone. And the cover will be here before she get back. Hey you. Can I use your cover?
Sure.
Oh, I thought she gonna look, y'all. Somebody said as soon as you put the camera on, your smile automatic now. You just smile every time the camera on. Yeah, she do. But anyway, I'm finna put this thing up. Get a little workout in. Cause we gotta hit the road. Then, man, I'm gonna eat something, and that's it. So, like I told y'all, I promise y'all gonna get to hear this thing. Next video, y'all heard it. Then some few videos down the line, man, I pop the hood, let y'all see. Under the hood, I do an engine reveal and all that stuff. Then we're gonna do dynos. Y'all know how we do. We have fun with it. That's it. We have fun with it. So, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all. Be